Hello, people. Yes, we are back with an actual vlog. I said it
So we do it.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy a So We Do It, or So We Do It. Doing my thing. I went way back to where my writing was first applied. For all y'all don't know, my writing was first applied in Jamaica.
Yeah, when he was a little toddler.
Yeah, first my writing was applied to poetry.
Yeah.
Poetry was my first love. And then my second application was to Jamaican dancehall music. But I migrated to the States, and after that, kind of like absconded from dancehall and just dedicated my whole life to books.
So all of you who do not know, he was almost famous.
Yes. Ooh, for y'all don't know, I was almost famous. I was gonna be one of Jamaica's child dancehall artists. I've shared stage with people such as Beenie Man. I've recorded in studios such as Jammies. So that's a little insight for you guys to know.
That's all we're going to tell you though.
That's all we're going to tell you.
More.
The rest of it y'all can read in my autobiography.
Yeah.
But speaking of So We Do It, I'm going to tell you guys how I actually orchestrated that, As you guys know, if you guys are abreast to dancehall music, one of the most recent dancehall hits has been Touchdown by Stylo G.
Yeah.
Now, just like how Drake had his In My Feelings, and everybody was doing it as a viral, a whole lot of people went to the Stylo G Touchdown to do their own Touchdown rhythm, to do their own version of Touchdown, and that's how I came up with.
Yeah, so Cozy and Tina had to do on it.
We had to have our So We Do It, But I thought it would be interesting to let you guys know how I done it, because as you know, I've got an office. I don't have a studio. So for all y'all that know about music, and you would understand, it sounds a bit mono, it sounds a bit flat, it sounds like a demo. We're gonna take you to our makeshift studio and show you how it was done. Hold on. Take y'all to our makeshift studio. So this is actually supposed to be our pantry, but what we do with this, we keep excess paper, we keep
recycling,
and we keep unnecessary junk, and we keep wires and outdated technology and stuff that we don't want. It's got our soap powder, our vacuum cleaner, and excessive plastic bag, and an overflow of somebody's shoes. You understand? So what you gotta do now, baby, you gotta come in and you gotta close the door. And believe it or not,
it's soundproof.
It wasn't quite soundproof, but this is where I did my So We Do It. So in order to get the best sounding I could acquire, what I actually done was uploaded obviously the beat on my iPhone, put my headphones on, and I was just like a proper studio, I was actually tempted to take our mattress off the bed to put here to get a proper sound, So I put a camera up. I actually wrote out the lyrics, so I had it on paper, and then, I just did my thing. Just like I'm on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, that's how our So We Do It was done. Special shouts out to
Donna Campbell.
We gotta big up Donna Campbell for always supporting our vlogs, always supporting our video. But put Donna Campbell out there in a special notification today.
Fellow Jamaican.
A fellow Jamaican who actually thought that I was riding the rhythm properly. And so we do
you
it.
done good.
You know, I've always told the wife that this is what I do.
I know that. How long have we been together? Come on.
We've been together almost 20 years,
Yeah.
but how often, I mean, most time I go a little patois lyrics for her, but nothing that I think she actually takes seriously, you know? But every time I criticize a Jamaican artist, I always say to her, I only criticize people if I can do better than them.
All right.
You know what I mean? So, anyway, right now, as you see, Wife for Life has got her hat on.
Yes, ready to put my coat on?
We're about to go down into the city because we've got 2 businesses to take care of.
Right.
One, Wife for Life has developed a little rash on her face, you know,
I don't
and
know what that is.
we're not feeling it because it's cold outside, but it looks like heat rash.
Yeah.
At the moment, we've been applying hydrocortisone,
Yes.
hydrocortisone cream.
Yeah.
It seemed to have alleviated slightly, but you know, a pretty wife have to stay pretty, you see? So I'm gonna go down to Zurich to see if I could find some cleanser or something, you know. Let's not get too excited because we are Afro people.
Of course.
You know, and this is Switzerland. You know, the next thing we're gonna do, as you know, somebody's got their XS Max, and another
the last 2 days, you know.
and another person has ended up with the XS.
Yeah.
You know,
He's happy.
Jay's happy. Jay's got
But
the
he needs a
XS.
case because his case is too big for it. So.
I've got an old phone that I've used for my business. Let's bring it up.
Yes.
My old phone, I've got this phone for years, but because I use
Old
it,
and cracked.
yeah, it actually used to be Wife for Life's phone.
Yeah.
But because I only use it for business call, it's not a phone that I travel around with.
No. So it stays at home,
It
but
stays right in my office, business number. But it has a, what you call a full SIM
yeah.
in it. And nowadays, all the SIMs are like half a SIM, the tiny ones. So what we're gonna do, let me see.
Yeah, see if we could,
I'm gonna take one of those phones,
yeah.
one of the 2. This is the 6S Plus, and this is the
6 Plus.
6 Plus. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take the 6S Plus to make it my new business phone.
Yeah.
But I need to actually go down to Zurich to the carrier, the provider for this SIM, and ask them to change it
To a smaller one.
to a smaller
if they
SIM.
can.
And then I'd be in business with a brand new phone. Because not only that, this phone is an old Samsung.
He has to keep it on charge.
You have to charge it like 3-4 times a day, you know, so can't have that. So this is going into the bin, and my business is about to upgrade to iPhone.
6S Plus.
Yeah. I'm going into the city.
Yeah, I have to refrain from the stores, the clothes stores.
No shopping.
No shopping.
We got a vacation that's coming up on us. We should be in the sunshine within a few weeks, you know.
So no shopping.
And if
Wife for
certain-
Life's been banned.
If certain people want to be shopping while we're on holiday, we have to ease up on the shopping here. If you notice with our new logo, there's no more a child, and the child has been replaced with shopping bags.
Of course. That's my thing.
That's because of her. Anyway,
Yeah.
let us do Zurich, and we'll get back to you guys in a jiffy.
Okay. Just waiting for all these little apps to down the road, and then we're going to leave. Yeah.
Job done.
Yes. So, shopping now.
Stand correct. No shopping. We're going to the pharmacy to see if they can find some solution for her face, and then we're going straight home.
Bone chilly and cold.
Crap! Still ended up spending money. I ended up spending 33 francs. What do we get?
We have this
Apparently,
intensive
33 francs.
Welcome to Switzerland.
Yes. According to their diagnosis, it's dry skin.
Yeah.
From the heating in the house with a combination of the extreme cold outside, Wife for Life has been suffering from dry skin. So, should be good.
Yeah.
Heading home.
I hope so, for 33 francs.
33 francs, you better get back to
That would be
herself.
like 2 dresses if I shop smart. That's what's going on in Zurich.
It says ladies' night, but there's only one lady.
And she happy. No
What?
scuffs on the Timbs.
No, not yet. Yeah. Make a move, make a move, make a move.
Man. I have a few scuffs.
Yeah, they're nice though.
Pure leather.
Yeah.
That's all I wear.
Okay.
Ding, 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 ding.
This is how you do it, man. There's some real filming right there. I'm telling you. Gotta teach her how to catch footage, you know? Snow is melting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's actually a good thing.
Ich hasse Schnee.
Yeah, because as much as snow is nice and pretty and sometimes good to play with, it's
Not this time.
cold. Back where we started.
Oh.
But now we've got the phone sorted. So I've switched the number from this Samsung
So this iPhone.
to this 6S Plus.
Yes.
Looks all good.
It does. Looks nice.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
So
Needs a bit of a clean one.
now I'm all upgraded.
This is gonna go into the bucket
That
of
way.
doom.
The bucket of old technology, the one that we showed you earlier in the makeshift studio.
It's got all the phones.
All the phone. It's got 5S that we brought from. Yeah, we got a 5S, and we even have an iPod, the original iPod. We bought that 11 years ago when we came to Switzerland. And I was saying to Jay the other day, we were so naive about iPods that the first time we bought it, the iPod said it needs to be updated because it was a 1.0, and it was saying you got a new update for 1.1. And we panicked. We actually got on the bus, the train, about 50 miles away to the store to ask them, what do we do in this situation?
Oh, you just go into settings.
Go to settings and just press. So that's how naive we were to iPhone technology. But now we're all up to update 12.1.1.
Yeah.
This is years
So
later.
that iPod needs a lot of updating.
But it's we're gonna archive it. Yeah. You know, maybe 20 years from now, you never know. It could be worth something.
Worth some money.
So that's pretty much it for today's vlog. So as you can see, before you say anything, I was trying my very best to come back home whole, and I came back home 33 francs 90 less.
But it's for this.
But it's for her beauty, you know, it's for my baby, you know. For you guys out there, marriage is expensive.
Yes, it is, women. Yes, it is. These husbands of ours with their big gadgets in mind and stuff like that. With our clothes, it's easy. You know, these want Apple computers, they want iPhones, they want games.
A relationship is expensive. You know, I have to admit because I have an Xbox.
He's got 2 Xboxes.
I have an Xbox in the bedroom, which I use on the projector, and I have an Xbox One here as well, you know.
The computers, yes, women. And clothes is nothing. So, do you agree?
So relationships are expensive, but when you're a girlfriend-boyfriend type situation, you're not so much obligated. Yeah. But when you're married, you know, it's like
you have to, of course.
You know, so, love is lovely, but marriage is expensive. We're gonna leave it at that for now. Until next time.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.